Hello my dears, today our lesson is about area model and division. Lesson 8, Unit 7. Let's know more about this lesson. On the first page, use the area to model the following problem. Number 1, if we have here 535 divided by 5. The first step to take this number by using area model, we will draw a long rectangle and write 5 on the smaller left side of the rectangle. Here we have 5 as a divisor, so we put on the left side. And let's think 535, if we decompose it, it will be 500 plus 35. Step number 2, we will cut this rectangle into two smaller parts by draw a vertical line inside the rectangle. And then we think 500, what times what? 5 times 100. Then we write this in the first section and then we take 100 down. Step number 3, we will think 35. This 35, 5 times what? 5 times 7. And then we put this in the second section of the model and take 7 down. The last step, step number 4, check your answers and there is no left over. So first we add the areas. 500 plus 35 equal 535. Then we add the sides. 100 plus 7 equal 107. So 535 divided by 5 equals 107. And there is no remainder. Remainder equals 0. Now we have the first story problem from the school book. An organization donated 89 books to a school. The books will shared among 6 classrooms. How many books will each classroom get? So share, it means we make divided. We need to divide it 89 divided by 6. So first step, we draw a rectangle and cut into two parts, and the divisor here is 6, and then we think 89. We need to decompose it. So we can decompose it to be 60 first, and then we think 6 times what to be 60 times 10. So we take 10 down, and then we can cut 89 to be plus 4, 24. So 6 times what to be 24 times 4. Then we take 4 down. So this 89, 60 plus 24 plus what? Plus 5. So the remainder here is 5. So the quotient equals 10 plus 4 equals 14. And the remainder is 5. So each classroom will get 14 books and 5 books are left over. Story number 2. Rashida saved 545 LE to buy a toy car. She did this by saving 5 LE every day. She worked around her neighborhood. How many days did she have to work to save enough money to buy a toy car? So Rashida had 545 LE. She need to save by 5 LE every day. She need to divide it 545 divided 5. So by using area model, we will draw a rectangle and the divisor here is 5. We put on the left side. Then we think 545 is what plus what? 500 plus 45. Then we think 5 times what to be 500? 5 times 100. Then we take 100 down. Then we think 5 times what to be 45? 5 times 9. So we take 9 down. So now to get the quotient we make 100 plus 9 equals 109. So there is no remainder here. Remainder is 0. Next story here we have Amir put a book of stickers. There were 92 stickers in the book. He wanted to give them to 4 of his friends. How many stickers will each of his friends get? He need to give, he need to make a share. So we need to make a divided. 92 divided by 4. So we draw a rectangle and the divisor here is 4. We put on the left side and then we need to think 92. It will be what plus what that can be divisible by 4. So we can cut it to be 80 first. So we think 4 times what to be 80 times 20. Then so we have now 92 to be 12, the second part. So 4 times what to be 12 times 3. So the quotient here will be 20 plus 3 equals 23 and there is no remainder. So we cut first 92 to be 80 plus 12.